Hi, my name is Parthiv Shah. I'm a business growth strategist. My team and I build sophisticated systems that help you generate new revenue, increase your profitability, and save you time. I am here to share the secrets of my success. As a matter of fact, I am standing right in front of my secret. You see, I am what I read. I buy about 2 to 3 books a month. I work in a 1,000 square feet office with 2,000 books, 150 binders, and 50,000 pages of Dan Kennedy's unpublished work that only I have. So, when I found out about Russell Brunson's addiction to books and his program where he is sharing his library, his study hall, his books, and the books that made him what Russell Brunson is, I decided to invest, and I want you to check out what I am investing in. The program is called Secrets of Success. This is his nifty or most incredible free gift ever. And you can get it for free. This box, he will ship it to you absolutely free. And when he ships you his box, you do pay for $29 or whatever, depending on your country, you pay for the shipping. But everything in the box you get for free. And you get a Think and Grow Rich book, which is the first book I bought in America, a book on psychology of selling, a book on the secrets of master salesmanship. This is actually a manuscript, not even a book. Some unpublished Napoleon Hill manuscripts and work that you get it all for free. And on the next page, Russell Brunson explains in his video what you actually get when you sign up for his monthly study hall. And I am going to give you some very special gifts. I'm always buying books. I have a whole bunch of Dan Kennedy's books. I have this book that I bought 100 copies of from Chet Holmes. I'm always buying books. So when you join me in Russell Brunson's study hall, I'll not only talk about what I am studying with you in Brunson's library, but I will also tell you what I am reading. So next time when someone asks you, what 3 books are you currently reading? You will have an excellent answer. So why don't you share your name, email, and mobile on this page and follow me to Russell Brunson Study Hall. I'm Parthiv Shah, and see you on the inside of Brunson's library.